Caterpillar, the world's most famous manufacturer of heavy construction and quarry equipment, has unveiled its first-ever light-duty pickup truck, the Cat Truck. The project idea was born at the end of 2024, when the internet was flooded with AI-generated images of a non-existent Caterpillar off-roader. The concept appealed so much to the company's leadership that they decided to turn it into reality in metal and officially presented the show car at the major industry exhibition Conexpo 2026. For the base of this brutal machine, engineers took the proven American Ford Super Duty pickup but radically redesigned the front end. The vehicle received a massive black grille, an aggressive hood, and a reinforced bumper with signature yellow recovery shackles. The look is completed by the classic black and yellow livery in the style of Caterpillar heavy equipment, aggressive mud-terrain tires, and a roof-integrated drone for terrain reconnaissance. The interior is fully integrated into the brand's digital ecosystem. The pickup features the VisionLink productivity multimedia system with a built-in AI assistant called Cat, designed to simplify coordination on construction sites. Unfortunately for fans of the brand, the Cat Truck exists in a single copy and is purely an exhibition concept car. The company has no plans to enter the highly competitive passenger pickup market or put the model into series production.